Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are joining YouTuber Little Crafty Kitty's Happy Craft-A-Ween collaboration. The first prompt is candy. See how to make fun Halloween treats for your American Girl dolls. We have themed sugar cookies, white chocolate pretzels, orange flavoured Oreos, and spooky eyeball candy. Be sure to look up the hashtag HappyCraft-A-Ween to find all the other fabulous participant videos. So, let's get making!
Now the table is set with all these yummy Halloween treats. I guess it's time to put on my costume for the party.
First up, Halloween-themed sugar cookies. Here we searched Google for black and white images of a pumpkin, Frankenstein and witch's hat. We copied into MS Word and resized each image before printing off. Ours are between 3 and 3.5 centimeters in size. Trim down your paper to more manageable squares, then glue your images onto paperboard. Cut out again and glue onto more paperboard so each picture is 2 layers thick. Take your time fussy cutting each shape as this will become the icing layer. Next, place it onto more paperboard and draw around the image, making it slightly bigger. These pieces will become our sugar cookie bases. Trace and cut 3 of these larger shapes before gluing together with the blank side of the paperboard facing out. Now to paint our cookie bases. Mix up a light cream colour. We did 1 part yellow ochre with 3 parts white paint. To add depth, dry brush the yellow ochre paint around just the edges of the cookie for a warm golden glow. While they dry, let's work on the icing layer. We are using puffy paint for this step. Following the outline of our images, apply your first colour. Here we did green for Frankenstein's skin. Be sure to coat the edges with paint too. We chose purple for our witch's hat, leaving a gap in the middle for a black band and gold buckle. For our pumpkin, we coloured the different segments with orange puffy paint, leaving the white gap between. Once the orange layer is dry, come back and fill the gaps with white and the pumpkin stem in green. Do the same for the rest of your cookies. Next, glue your iced shape to its corresponding cookie base. It's so satisfying to see the cookie come together. You can serve them on a doll plate or go a step further and package them. Take a small clear baggie, cut off the clip seal, then pop your cookie inside. Gather the top of the bag and seal with a colourful twisty tie. Your Halloween cookies are ready to give out to all those hungry trick-or-treaters. Next, we have a yummy cluster of white chocolate pretzels. We made these in the same way as our DIY airline food cart pretzels. You can click the card top right to watch. Only this time we used specialty white hot glue sticks that we bought from Daiso. For quick orange flavoured Oreo biscuits, take orange and black cardstock and a hole punch. For 1 biscuit, you will need 3 black circles for the base, 3 orange discs for the cream, and 3 more black circles for the top. Stack and glue the cardstock, making lots and lots of little orange Halloween Oreo biscuits for your dolls to eat and share. For more fun, let's transform these wooden beads into spooky eyeball candy. Our beads are just over 5 millimeters in diameter. But first we need to paint them white. To make this step easier, thread your bead onto the tip of a barbecue skewer. It took us a few coats to achieve an opaque white. For the colourful iris, we are using puffy paint again. Squeeze paint into the hole of your bead, carefully filling it, then allowing the paint to dome over the sides. Once the paint has dried, use a black marker to dot on the pupil. Switch to a red marker and make wiggly lines and V shapes around the side of the bead for bloodshot eyeballs. Repeat the process to fill a bowl full of these fun lollies. Set the table to serve up all your yummy Halloween treats. If you'd like to keep crafting, check out our previous Halloween party food and Halloween milkshake DIYs. We had so much fun making cookies and candies for our dolls and want to thank Little Crafty Kitty for hosting this Happy Craft-A-Ween collab. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and turn on the bell so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!